what can AI do today? It's a lengthy list that's getting longer, but we're talking about the types of technical capabilities that would include things like content generation, which is a huge generative AI conversation around generating text, creating images, creating video, creating audio. You're hearing a lot about generative AI for the past year or so since the release of ChatGPT and the large language model conversation began. But that extends to different types of AI capabilities. So it's not just about creating content. We can translate content. So translation service is going to be a huge part of the conversation. Localization, customizing content to your specific company or brand, summarizing content. So I don't know if anyone's using these tools right now, but there's an increasing number of tools that you can attend a meeting. You might have a bot in the meeting with you. The bot takes the notes, summarizes the meeting, and now you don't have to watch recorded meetings anymore, because I don't believe anyone has ever watched a recorded meeting or a recorded webinar. And now you don't have to, because a machine can summarize it for you, highlight key points, allow you to get the information you need more quickly. So summarization is a huge tool in terms of the AI toolkit. Automation, the automation of workflows, helping us complete repetitive tasks more quickly, or maybe not have to touch them at all and allow a machine to take care of that. Search, you see that a lot with the large language models in terms of like how Google works and how Bard works using OpenAI, where instead of just getting a list of links, now you search for information and now the information is being provided to you directly as an answer to a question. So search is fundamentally changing. Reporting is changing. Impact assessment, determining if learning and development programs are actually working or not. Identifying performance challenges before they actually become performance challenges. Driving out automated nudges to help people improve in the right area, maybe focus on the right skill development. So there's an increasingly large list of potential applications for this technology. And right now, my challenge is most people, I think, are thinking about AI as a separate tool or a separate feature. I go use the AI, right? I go to ChatGPT when I want to generate a set of text content and then pull that content out and then go put it in the other tool that I'm using, or the authoring tool that I'm using to write my blog post or write my course outline or whatever that may be. Or, tools like Midjourney, which is an image generator. So I use that tool to generate an image. I pull the image and then I go put it in the course that I'm developing. The reality is AI has been embedded in the technology we use every day for years. We just don't think about it that much, right? So anytime you shop online, anytime you watch a streaming network, anytime you use Google Maps, there's AI underneath the technology that's driving the experience. And that's where we're heading, right? So instead of thinking about AI as a separate tool or a separate feature, we need to start thinking about how it's going to be fundamentally embedded underneath our entire tool set, everything we use to do our job, and how it's going to change the way we interact with those tools.